After the shocking news of Shelley and Fraser Price withdrawing from semi-final 2 at the Paris Olympics 2024, it was hard to focus. Nonetheless, the races went on. Semi-final 2 saw some impressive runs, especially from Julian Adford of St. Lucia, who got the fastest time of the semi there in 10.84. No, Shakari trailed behind her, and it looked like Shakari worked for that second place, while Julian Adford looked a bit more comfortable, and she got the winnings for the semi in 10.84. Now, the third semi saw the only Jamaican representative that we have left, and that's Tia Clayton. Young, promising talent with a lot on her now because we no longer have any Jamaicans on the field. It was either it had to be done by Tia or Jamaica will not be in the final 100-meter for women. So Tia was looking pretty serious as they introduced her, but she did and waved and carried on. Now, once Tia lifted her head up on that field, she took off and took the winnings. First place in her semi-final in 10.89. It was like Tia felt us at home looking to her. She took the lead. She did the job and she did not disappoint. Now we're looking at the finals with only one Jamaican, three Americans, and we're bringing up the visuals for you so that you can see who is in the final. So we have Tia Clayton there. She got the third spot there in 10.89. We have the St. Lucian Alfred, Julian Adford, we have Shakari Richardson, we have Terry, we have Jefferson. So we'll bring up the final. Say, oh yes, and Talu as well. Talu made it through. We also have Kambunji and Daryl Nita. So it's a great competitive feel for the final. And what we can say, guys, we just have to wait and see, which will be in an hour or so, that the final will be happening, and we will definitely keep you informed. Let us know what your predictions are in the comments. Who will take the gold, the silver, and the bronze? Because today actually went as Murphy's Law. Anything that can happen will happen. And we saw some things happening that we did not expect. Nonetheless, we feel strong.